Mastiff.
Say
You
hi.
can make it English Mastiff by pushing his hair down.
Say hi.
Like that.
Hi.
Look at that stupid dog. My cheese striker.
Oh, it's Daddy!
That's funny.
That little dog was super energized all day, won't it?
Yeah, yeah. Well, she's energized no matter what. I'm gonna cut that tree down anyway.
No, you're not.
Valerie already told me to.
I don't care. No, you're
I
not.
don't care what you say. Valerie told me to. I'm cutting it down.
No, you're not.
And the apricot.
You cut that down tree now. Oh, apricots are good.
Look, they're all. Look, those are probably still good on there. If there's any left.
There are some. Here's Sassy. You almost beat up my dog. Sassy! Oh, she found herself a little butterfly thing. Oh, she found herself a gopher. You found yourself a gopher, didn't you?